The Rob and Racing Heaven's Image moving up. AJ Special, then on the outside next. Big Thing G-Spot running by the rail. Then moving up is Forever Summer as they round towards the last 600. Next, Big Thing by about 2 lengths. AJ Specialist running by the rail. Second, running on the outside. Third, Forever Summer. G-Spot down in fourth, followed by Heaven's Image. Cash, moving up on the outside, Jumping Jonah as they turn for home. We have the favorite next, Big Thing, 2A by about 3 lengths now. AJ Specialist in second. Moving up on the outside is G-Spot. We have 2A next, Big Thing by about 8. And finally, next, Big Thing, G-Spot, AJ Special, Heaven's Image, and Cash for your Pentapecta.